Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ielts speaking examiner and you are the candidates, and I'm going to conduct your speaking test. This is what we are going to do in this video. As you guys know that speaking is also shifted to computer screen, or it is also going to be computer delivered on a live link. There's going to be an examiner and that examiner is going to conduct your speaking test, right? In some cities they have already done it and in some cities they are doing. So eventually all over the world they are going to have online IELTS examiners who are going to conduct your IELTS speaking test. That's why I decided to make this video for you so that I could give you practice. Now I'm going to be the examiner and your monitor or your mobile screen or your laptop screen is going to be the screen. You can just imagine that this is going to be the screen in your actual IELTS test, and I'm going to ask you the questions and you have to answer. I'll give you around 30 seconds for section 1 because last time I gave 20 seconds and some of you complained. For speaking part 2 I'll give you 2 minutes. And for section 3, I'll give you half minute for each answer. So I'm speaking examiner and you are the candidate. Try to do this test in a quiet room with no presence of anybody. Then you can just feel as if you are in actual examination room. So let's take a start. Are you ready to take your IELTS speaking test? Okay. Do you work or are you a student? All right. Okay, let's start. What games are popular in your country? Do you play any games? If yes, then why? If no, then why not? How do people learn to play games in your country? Do you think it is important for people to play games? If yes, then why? If no, then why not? Tell me about some of the water sports in your country. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. This is your cue card and you have to speak on it for 1 to 2 minutes. I give you 1 minute now to jot down some notes, and after 1 minute you will have to speak on this cue card for 1 to 2 minutes. Your 1 minute preparation time starts now. You now have to speak on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, we now move on to speaking part 3. Do people in your country enjoy going to open air markets that sell things like food or clothes or old objects? Which type of market is more popular and why? Do you think markets are more suitable places for selling certain type of things? Do you think young people feel the same about shopping at markets as old people? And why is that? What do you think are the advantages of buying things from shops rather than markets? How does advertising influence what people choose to buy? Do you think that any recent changes in the way people live have affected general shopping habits? And why is this? That is the end of your IELTS speaking test. May you have a lovely day. Alright guys, so how did you feel during the test? Good one. Okay, if you want me to make more videos like this, comment and make a request and I'll make more videos for you. Try to practice. If you misunderstood any question, note it down and try to prepare the answer, because in speaking part 3 they always ask you these type of questions. That's all. Thank you very much. I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.